Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Muskan and I am back here again with a new video, and today's video is gonna be about skincare. So Biotique has just sent me a parcel which is a CTM kit, their new papaya range CTM kit, which I'm gonna be reviewing today. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. And uske pehle, like always, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and if you like this video and if you find this video helpful, please share this video as much as possible. Let's go. So it's a cleanser, toner and moisturizer kit, and it's worth its MRP is 770 rupees. And yeah, so I've received this. Let's unbox. And this is how it opens. Whoa, I like the packaging. So it has a papaya deep cleanser. There is refreshing toner with Himalayan waters for normal to oily skin. Toner. I have oily skin. Let me try this. And other one is moisturizer for visibly flawless skin, all skin types, morning nectar. Oh, it has like little scrubbers in it. I guess it's gonna be good for oily skin. Because इसमें scrubbers हैं, तो I guess dry skin और dry हो जाएगी. So this will be better for oily skin. And it has like watery consistency. So next product is the toner. Let's go in with the toner. This is pore tightening toner, which is refreshing. This is so satisfying. I guess they don't give the spray wala thing, no? That is what I hate. Iska individual MRP is 210 rupees. And this bottle is like this. I hope you can see it. It doesn't have that spray wala ki aap direct spray kar lo. Isme you'll have to take the product on a cotton pad and dab it out and something like that. Or if your hands are clean enough, you can take product on your hand and just tap it on your skin. So I'll just show it to you how it is. So I'll just dab it. Why is it soapy? See, the product has high alcohol smell. I can literally smell alcohol. Let's see if it is sticky or not. But smell is definitely full of alcohol. I don't know. The smell is little disappointing, but the quality might work. Like if you can see the difference, I've used the product on this hand and this hand is bare. Ispe kuch nahi laga hai. Yeah, I can see the difference here. I guess the quality is nice. Product might work, but the smell is disappointing. Smell is full of alcohol. Toner for y'all retails for 210 rupees individually and kit is for 770 rupees. I'll tell you the face wash also. Face wash individually retails for 240 rupees and it's their visibly glowing papaya deep cleanse face wash. Here comes the third product, which is morning nectar nourish and hydrate moisturizer for visibly flawless skin from Biotique, and this one retails for 220 rupees. Wait, but it isn't 770 rupees. The MRP is mentioned 770 rupees. What is wrong?
Okay, the packaging of box and all of that must be there.
Okay, so this bottle is same as the toner ka bottle, and it says it's 100% Ayurvedic recipe, which is Biotique का पूरा brand. So I'll just take toner के ऊपर ही थोड़ा सा amount of the moisturizer. I'll close it. This smells good. Moisturizer also very light and very soft. And this again has little watery consistency, which might work for oily skin type. Let it dry. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so I am back here after 5 minutes जब मैंने moisturizer लगाया था. So अभी this looks obviously better than this one. It obviously looks better. Plus, moisturizer is not sticky. I am definitely not disappointed from moisturizer. I'll give 8 on 10 to the moisturizer. इसका smell भी अच्छा है. It is very lightweight and it is non-sticky and it sits perfectly on the skin. So it's a 5 on 10 for toner, sticky, strong smell. And I like the spray bottle wala packaging more because that's easier. You just have to take your toner, spray it on your face and you're done. You just have to wait for your skin to dry. But it's still you have to take a cotton pad or you have to clean your hands and apply the product, which is little time consuming. That thing I did not like. So it's a 7 on 10 for face wash for me. Because that face wash can be very good for oily skin and very bad for very dry skin. So I would not recommend that face wash for very dry skin because scrubbers से skin और dry हो सकता है. So yeah, 7 on 10 for face wash, 5 on 10 for toner and 8 on 10 for moisturizer. I loved the moisturizer. It's very light. I am definitely gonna be using it on my skin. See again, still this skin is not sticky. But जब मैंने toner लगाया था, ये sticky हो रहा था. After moisturizer, it isn't sticky. So I would recommend कि you can buy this kit if you have medium, normal or oily skin. Dry skin के लिए you can just buy this moisturizer. This moisturizer is very nice. Okay, so that's all with today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you want me to create more such review videos, please drop some content suggestions or content ideas, whatever you feel that I should make. Please drop that in the comment section down below so that I can read it and I can bring in more such content for you all. So that's all for today's video. And if you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and share this video as much as possible because it motivates me a lot and I will not stop making such content for you all. And thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you very soon. Bye.